All right, this is the judgment. Count number 1. The accused is charged with offense of threatening to kill, contrary to section 2231 of the Penal Code, particulars being on 22nd December 2020, and in Ngong area within the Republic of Kenya, you uttered words threatening to kill Grace Malalo with these words: "I'll kill you today, so say your last words to your mother before I kill you." In the second count, the offense is the same, 223, that's threatening to kill. Particulars are on 22nd December 2020 in Ngong area within the Republic of Kenya. You uttered words threatening to kill Paul Mwakasu Malalo by saying, "I'll kill you today." The third count is related with cybercrime harassment, contrary to section 27(1)(b) of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act. And particulars of the events are that on diverse days between 1st November 2020 and May 24, 2021, at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, you continuously send text messages using telephone number which is given there to Grace, of telephone number also given, knowing them to be false and calculated to cause fear and detrimentally affect the character of the said complainant Grace. The fourth is also cybercrime related under section 27(1)(b) of the Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act. On the between 1st November 2020 and 24th May 2021 at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, you also continuously send messages using a telephone number, which is indicated there, to that of Grace, knowing them to be false and calculated to cause fear and detrimentally affect the character of the said Grace. The fifth count rather, is the offense of cybercrime harassment also. The offenses are said to have been done between 1st November 2020 and the 24th May 2021 at a known place within the Republic of Kenya. You continuously also send text messages using a number which is given there to Duncan Musafiri Mwanjeu, of telephone number given, knowing them to be false, calculated to cause fear and detrimentally affect the character of Duncan Musafiri Mwanjeu. The other count is also cyber harassment. You also, on the diverse dates in the month of May 2021, at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, you continuously made phone calls using your telephone number given there to John Mbugua, of telephone number given, calculated to cause fear and mentally affect the character of the said John Mbugua. You heard what the witness said. I also heard what the defense said. Now, section 2231 of the Penal Code reads as follows: any person without lawful excuse utters or directly or indirectly causes any person to receive a threat, whether in writing or not, to kill any person is guilty of a felony and is liable to imprisonment for 10 years. So that according to this provision, a threat to kill becomes a felony when any person unlawfully utters or threatens to kill another, or causes any person to receive a threat to kill, whether written or not. I have gone through this case, the evidence as used so far, and I find this case revolving around love won sour. The accused and the complainant were lovers until misunderstanding arose between them. It was also the evidence by the accused and Humphrey Gaya Cyprian that at one time the families of both families had peace talks, but it collapsed and the duo were advised to separate and stay apart. This is evidence enough that love life had reached a dead end, compounded by the fact that the son had been born into this relationship. The complainant found another lover with him, and the complainant found another lover with him. This extremely annoyed him. Now, there is a forensic report also, which showed that indeed the messages were retrieved to show that the accused sent threatening messages to the complainant, but the complainant also was annoyed and did also send offensive messages too. I strongly believe that there was no malice aforethought to kill the complainant. It was other frustrations after the complainant got married to John Mbowa, and yet they have stayed together for a long time and have had a child. In respect to counts number 3, 4, and 5, all this relates to threats. The facts of this case run across all these counts as the messages are at the center of these 3 counts. It would be a duplication if I made a different finding that the accused is also guilty in one in isolation of the others. In any event, also take judicial notice that the Cybercrime Act is a subject of a petition in the Superior Court on its constitutionality. I'll leave it at that. I make a finding that the prosecution did not prove their case beyond reasonable doubt. I acquit the accused person.
Thank you very much for the judgment.